In this video, I'll guide you through how to export query results from Google BigQuery to a CSV file. Exporting your data to a CSV is a straightforward process, and it's incredibly useful for data analysis, sharing, or further processing in other applications. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can easily follow along. First, let's head over to BigQuery Studio. This is where you'll be running your SQL query. If you're not familiar, BigQuery Studio is a powerful tool within Google Cloud Platform that allows you to manage, query, and analyze large data sets with ease. Once there, you'll want to run the specific SQL query that retrieves the data you're interested in exporting. If you already have a query in mind, go ahead and input it into the query editor. Now, once you execute your query, you'll need to wait a moment for the rows to populate in the query results pane. This pane is conveniently located at the bottom of your screen, and it displays the results of your query. Depending on the size of your dataset and the complexity of your query, this might take a little time, so don't worry if it's not instantaneous. Watching the data populate can be quite satisfying as it confirms that your query is working as expected. With your data now displayed in the results pane, it's time to save it. Look just above the results grid and you'll see the Save Results button. This button is your gateway to exporting the data. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu with a few options for saving your results. For our purposes, you'll want to select csv.local file. This option allows you to download your query results directly to your computer in the widely used CSV format. Choosing CSV ensures that your data is saved in a format that's compatible with many different tools and software, such as Excel or Google Sheets. This makes it much easier to share or further analyze your data. Once you've selected CSV, the download will begin, and your file will be saved to your default downloads folder unless you've specified otherwise in your browser settings. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Google BigQuery query results to a CSV file. This simple process is a key skill for anyone working with data, as it allows for seamless integration with other tools and platforms. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat these steps with different queries to get even more comfortable with the process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now feel confident exporting your data from BigQuery. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy querying.